lashes. Like the way my face looks so different, like just, it's all I need. Like who cares if I don't have eyebrows? Who cares? Literally no one cares. Because it's about the eyes. I have siren eyes. They can be bald. I'm not a doe-eyed bitch. Like, sorry, I'm not. I wish I could be a doe-eyed bitch that's like, I look ridiculous, foolish, silly. I have siren eyes. They need lashes. They do. Hey guys, NATGEE here. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, NATGEE here. What's up, BADDIE gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's the big brat Nat here. It's BADDIE. What's up? BADDIE. The rebrand was crazy. It was hard, quick, fast. People that were like subscribed to SOONATTGEE were like, who is this? Whoa, insert Mr. Krabs me. Hey guys, BADDIE here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today we have a cute video getting my lashes done by myself. I don't want to say getting my lashes done by myself. Doing my lashes myself. I'm shocked. I'm shook. You're shocked. Shocked. This was great. I'm not even supposed to, that's a spoiler. Oops. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this process. I'm obsessed with how much it costs. And I do a lot of talking in this video, so just sit back, relax, and keep watching. But before we do, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe to me, ho. Smash the subscribe button, join the BADDIE gang, and let's get into today's video. Okay, I am gonna try and make this entertaining, but I low-key did not want to film today. I have things to film. I just did not want to film today. Not even because I don't want to, but just because, like, you know when your energy's low, and honestly, I just finished Queen Charlotte in like 12 hours. So it was very trying and emotional. So because of that, I'm just like, So I just feel kind of like sad. But then something I do when I'm in between tasks is I kind of just like play around my room and be like, what do I need to do? Like, what do I need to clean? And obviously you've clicked on this video for the title. I saw the fans on my desk and I'm like, let me just try one. And I did one in like 2 seconds and I was like, all right, get down to business, let's do it. Now that that's out of the way and you guys kind of know how I'm feeling, we are putting on lash extensions today. Anyone who knows me knows I'm obsessed with my lashes. I'm obsessed with having lash extensions. But this is the baldest I've been in a long time, probably about 4 months, 5 months. And the reason for that is the recession is recessioning. I don't know what it's called, pre-recession, procession, I don't know. Because people keep saying it's not a recession, but it is. And inflation is inflationing. And not that that really affects my lash techs because they're wonderful, but it's mainly that because everything else has gone up, I'm like you could really benefit from saving lash money. It's just what it is. It's not, I'm not suffering, guys. It's just, I'm trying to be responsible. You know what I mean? I do my lashes religiously. I am, first of all, if I'm not every 3 weeks, I'm at least once a month. And I don't have the greatest retention, which is also a problem, so I often have to do full sets. So that means if I need a full set and if I say I'm out of like lash foam or cleanser or I need something else, like a serum, I'm spending anywhere from 60 to 150 bucks, including like tip, per month on just lashes. And it could be more if I say go within 3 weeks and it ends up I need 2 full sets. That's $300. Let's say the worst case scenario, okay? So because of that, I was like, we love it. It is a luxury though. And you guys know me, I am your local baddie who is just trying to make it work for all of us. I try things, I let you know how they go. Now that you have my whole backstory that I'm probably gonna edit out and crop within a couple seconds, I went on Amazon because I'm just kind of, whoa, my voice, who was that? Because I was just like, that's the easiest place for me to get stuff like this and I can see reviews and blah. So I ordered, if you don't know, and I feel like I've talked about it, but obviously I haven't done a video dedicated to lashes before, I prefer brown lashes on me. Even before my hair was ginger, I preferred brown lashes on me. So even right now, the lashes that you see are left are brown. It's a dark brown. And that's simply because I just think for my face, even when I do my hair, I can't do heavy styles. Like, I am not a full density girl if I ever get like bundles installed or if I have a wig. I just need it to be simple. Like my face calls for simplicity. So I kept that consistent with the lashes I ordered. Everything's in brown. I'm showing you these, obviously, what are they called? Strip lashes. Jesus, you see how long it's been? I don't even remember what these are called. I also ordered strip lashes on the same order. This is just because doing your lashes yourself, obviously they're probably not gonna last as long as, when I go to my lash tech. So I anticipate that these individual clusters are probably gonna last me maybe a couple days, and I ordered strip lashes so that if I have to go out or if I have something to do, I have a backup. So now again, you have my full story. Everything I'm using today, I will link in my Amazon storefront, and I'll put the link down below just so you can find it. So I was so nervous because I was like, and again, why, well, I'm talking to you on my camera. Why I didn't want to film today is because, again, I was low energy, and I feel like this is something you need to like focus on. So because of that, I was like, let's not do it today. But then I did the one, and it was so easy that I'm like, let's do it. Let's do it. So these are my old lashes. I've been waiting for them to drop off before doing this video, and I think this is as good as it's gonna get, and that's why I ordered 2 different types of clusters. Again, you can see that they aren't really dark. They aren't really darkest black, like midnight. They're a little bit softer, and this eye is the eye that I have the worst retention on, as you can see, because obviously she did my lashes the same day, and there's nothing on this eye, and there's all these left on this eye, and this has been about a month, if not over. This is the cluster I just applied. So if you're looking at it like, no girl, you're doing well, it's because I just put those on, and I thought that they looked amazing. So I was like, you know what, this is not bad. Also, that is from this tray, and this is their D-curl. That was 14 millimeters, and I did that because just looking against what's on my eye, that looks like about what I have. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. These are what's on my eye right now. It's more of a cluster, and these ones are more individual. But I'm just holding the tray up so you can see how curly a D mix is compared to how flat a C mix is. C, D. This was really simple. This is gonna be the easiest part, and then I'm just gonna fast forward through everything else. So it's like, yes, I was doing all this talking, but realistically, y'all aren't gonna be watching me for every single part. I might just come back in a day or two with retention updates, just to let you know how it's going, because I can show you all day, every day how to put them on. But if these last literally, I go to bed tonight and they fall off, then what is the point? I recommend having a Q-tip on standby, because while this is sold as eyelash glue, these are your eyes, okay? You don't want things falling in your eyes. So I just had this handy so that if I saw excess, I would just wipe it away. I also recommend having a compact or a mirror, something to look into so that you can apply it. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the clear band of the lash. That is a bit annoying to me, but again, these are not individual lashes, so unless I want to learn to do my lashes myself, I'm gonna shut up. But I'm being transparent with y'all. This is what we're starting with. I have everything in front of me. That's the, I would say, step number 1. Have your station like ready to go. So you're going to bond first. I'm a little nervous because now I'm doing it on camera, whereas before, when things are no pressure, they just go better. That's how my life literally works, is when something's no pressure, it goes so much better for me. You always want to pick up your cluster from the base of the lash. I'm holding it with a lot of room out, really by its tip. So now I'm gonna take my bond and just put it right here. Grab my lash now. Try to avoid them from sticking to your bottoms. Like, to me, it needed to get tacky on the lash before I could stick it. Yes. And that was a struggle. I don't know if you saw, I wasn't breathing. Anyways, now we can go to this center section, and I think I have a bit of a routine, which is let's brush on the bonder, and then in this meantime we're gonna grab our cluster and let it dry down a bit. I think I should still do 14s. I don't think I should do 12s just yet. I thought that the applying under the lash line would be more scary than it is, and it's not. Like, it is not scary at all. And I really don't expect my first set to be perfect. I'm really just trying a ting right now, you know? I'm just pinching, if you can't tell. Beautiful clusters. It comes with a comb on the end, which I'm kind of nervous to use, but let's do it. Okay. Okay. And I feel like that looks good. We're just pinching now. I'm trying to comb out the glue clumps because there are some. Okay, and now we have a full eyeball. That really wasn't that bad. This is half an hour real time. I like it. And I guess if I wanted to add more volume, I could potentially like stack more. But I feel like it's not bald, and that's all I ask. So now we're going in with the ceiling, and oh my gosh, not bald anymore. No more alopecia eyeballs. I think the only annoyance is that you can't do as much like fun styles because you're doing them yourself. Actually, you can probably get there. Who am I kidding? I'll probably get there and try to like make it like more hot girl. But like if this lasts me a week, oh my gosh, I might be unstoppable. They are a little light though. I want to add a bit more. That's what I feel like adding. I'm gonna just go right here and add a little bit Monica in my life and try and dress that hole with one of the individuals. And we're gonna go on the other side. So here's where we're at with what we used. And when I go to see my lash lady, I spend anywhere from an hour to 3 hours there. I think I've sometimes even spent 4 hours there for like a really good set. I'll be on that bed for 4 hours. This took me 1 hour real time, and that was with me talking as much as I have been. We're not even at an hour yet. We're technically at 55 minutes. Again, I'll put the cost total on the screen and everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront down below. 8 fans total, I think, on this tray. And then we used almost a full row of 14s on this tray. And that is just for this specific set. And this should last me a very long time, or at least a couple sets. Like we'll see how long it lasts for the week or whatever. But I'm thinking, I'm like, but if these only last me 2 days, let's say this is like a weekend thing. I spent $100 to have the ability to do my lashes at any time. They might not last as long, but I'm gonna Google if there are cons, because I don't see the con. Aside from the time frame, it's almost like you pay for what you get. So I'm paying $100 and then the work that I put in cost me an hour of my time. The lashes look good. Are they my lash techs? No. Could they get there? Maybe. I believe in my ability. I believe in your ability too. I feel like I'm not mad at this. I really have to see how long they last. Even if it's for the day, it still saves me money. It still saves me time. It's like, it's the equivalent of a strip lash, but just a bit more natural. So even if you had something to do that day where you don't want to wear makeup per se, this is still a really good option. I'm gonna develop my cons on my own, but we're gonna end here for today. All right, so this is my lash update. Where are they? Where are they? So it sounds crazy. Today's Wednesday. I put these on Sunday. So they lasted 3 days because it was this morning that I ripped this eye off. The reason I ripped it off is because I think I put too much glue. So when I'm washing my face, like this morning, I know for a fact too, I was really intensive in the eyes because I was just like, the first day after, this eye was bothering me the most. I don't know if it's still red, but I had a bit of redness, and I think it again was the glue. And basically what I think, this is just what I think is happening, is if you use too much of the glue, little tiny particles of the glue fall in your eye after it dries, because it's not a glue that dries down hard like your typical individual lash glue. It stays a little gummy, and then with you washing your face and doing stuff like that, you see these little like you know how if you've ever dealt with wig glue or weave glue, you know how it can kind of get like a little pilly. Like it doesn't get hard like a nail glue, like it's still a little squishy. So I think these like little squishy like balls of glue are falling in my eye, and I wouldn't see them. I would just like wipe my eye and it would come out. But like this morning I washed my face and then my eye was like bothering me, so I just started like pulling them off, and it just would come off like a track of glue, like it would just squish off. And I think that it was just like little tiny flecks falling in my eye, so I just took off whatever was on this eye. This eye is holding on pretty strong and is pretty on there, but I think again if I wanted to I'd pull it off, but good to know. So realistically, with, again, I didn't wash them the first day. With intensive eye washing, they only last a couple of days. And today I made it a priority because I was like, I just wanna see. Like, I just wanna know. I should have probably done it after work and not before work. So just had to, I told you I would come back and update you and tell you if I had any thoughts or anything like that. So yeah, just be cognizant of the fact that the glue can burn if you use too much, if it can get in your eye. If it does get in your eye, it can hurt. So again, this would be obviously a con to doing it opposed to getting your lashes done. However, I still think that this is a good alternative for a day or two, a weekend. We now know it lasts a weekend, and it's cheap and it's good to have on hand. It's easy to use. I think if your bank account is bank accounting how my bank account is bank accounting, I think it's still worth it if it's somewhere that you're looking to cut costs. That much I will say. I think to me, in between that, using strip lashes, I think that I will be okay. Like, will I still want my lashes done? Absolutely. Do I love the process? Absolutely. Is it probably still the ideal situation? Yes. The issue really is, you're sniffing a bit loudly for someone who's supposed to be in the background. Remy, is this a solution to getting your lashes done foolproof? I don't think so just yet. I think I'm going to play around with other types of glue. I think I'm going to play around with other types of styles of lashes, and this can be a series on my channel. But as of right now, this is not the solution, and nor does it provide the consistency as getting your lashes done. This is simply an alternative in order to avoid getting your lashes done as frequently. Like that, I'm trying to put as much information out there as possible, y'all. Okay, I hope I've been clear. Let's wrap up this video. In conclusion, I think that this is absolutely worth it. Now, if you're my lash tech and you're watching this, if you're one of the two of the wonderful women that I trust with my eyelashes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I love you deeply, because you are the reason why I have the addiction that I have. So that's all I have to say, and I feel like I said a lot and enough, and also nothing at all. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did like it or found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your preferred way to wear your lashes are. Is it mascara? Do you go to a lash tech? Do you do your lashes yourself, like something like we showed today's video, or are you just a strip lash girly? All are great, all are fine, but I want to have a little lash discourse down below. So please comment what you prefer and how you prefer to wear your lashes. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to me, smash that subscribe button, and pay the big brat Nats bills today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Ding. That's gonna be the end. Ding of every video. Ding.